Hey, thanks for watching today. My name is Kevin Brown. I'm with All Star Medical, and we're going to talk about the very popular SO LITE mobility scooter made by Journey Healthcare. This is a unit that is 44 pounds total weight. So what this is made for is somebody that's on the go all the time, travels a lot, needs something very lightweight to get in and out of a car to stay independent and active. That's where this comes in. A lot of nice features that they have on this. You've got a built-in cup holder that you can put on either side that comes with it. A standard pouch here on the front. What I always recommend is put your charger, which it does come with a free charger, so you can put a charger in the front here, and it's got an attachment there. It's got another little pouch on the side here, so nice little front pouch that you know goes very well. Is a nice piece. On the back side here, I'm going to turn it as we do this. You'll notice there's another larger pouch on the back side that can fit other stuff in. So for the size of the unit, it has this front pouch, back pouch, cup holder, and then a basket underneath. So it's got a lot of storage area, which can be pretty handy when you're real active and trying to be independent. You get your flip-up armrest, okay? So they flip up real easy. The seat is padded as well as the back. It's got a little pad in the back there. You'll notice on here on the front, this is the unit. Is how you turn it on and off. So we'll come in close here, turn that. That's going to show your battery life. This right here, like, is pretty common. Your speed, your horn is right there. Underneath here, you'll notice there's a place for a light in the front. You just probably saw us flash that light up. Flashes really well, this front light does. It's got a place to charge it at the tiller. So real easy for anybody to add the charger. It's just right there. If a fuse ever blows, there's your fuse right there. Now the neat part is showing you how it folds up. So when folding it, it's a very simple process. You're going to just pull this lever right here, this button, pull that down, and it folds. I'm gonna set this down for just one moment. I'm gonna cut the unit off as I do this. There's a little tiller here, and this is where you can adjust these handles back and forth. But then you just fold that down, tighten this back up, and you have here and here that you grab. Again, 44 pounds. We have these in our locations in both stores, Hermitage and Brentwood. Give you a little bit of the specs on it. It's 44 pounds with the battery. You take the battery out, which is this piece in the back here, it's 4 pounds. So, you know, you're gonna save yourself 4 pounds. That may be a big difference, may not be. Your climbing gradient is 8 degrees. Your turning radius is 45 inches is the minimum turning radius there. Seat width is 17 by 18. A lot of people want to know also your the front tire is 6 inches. The back tire is actually 10 inches as far as width there or size there. They're pretty wide too. Not bad. Again, this unit is so light, so easy to deal with. You know, you're gonna have the built-in charger come with it. It has electromagnetic brakes. What that means is it's actually going to stop on its own when you let go of the push trigger at the top. But other than that, great unit. 10 amp lithium batteries. So it does have lithium batteries in it, so keep that in mind. It's approved for travel, so just check with your whoever you're flying with, show them the specs of it, make sure it fits your needs. You can get this online at allstarmedicalllc.com. Comment if you have questions about the unit. I'll be glad to answer them for you, or give us a call. That's probably the easiest thing you could do. Give us a call at 615-730-9438. We'd be glad to help you with any kind of questions about this unit. We hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and have a great day.